A consistent pumping routine is essential for breastfeeding mothers who wish to maintain their milk supply and provide nourishment for their babies. Establishing a realistic schedule that aligns with your lifestyle can make the process more manageable and less stressful. Start by aiming to pump every 3 to 4 hours if you are exclusively pumping, mimicking your baby's natural feeding pattern. Each session should last around 15 to 20 minutes per breast, ensuring complete milk expression. Double electric pumps are highly recommended for efficiency and convenience. Hydration and nutrition play a critical role in milk production. Drink plenty of water and include nutrient-rich foods in your diet to support your body's needs. Create a comfortable pumping space with minimal distractions and use a hands-free pumping bra to multitask if needed. Remember, every mother's journey is unique. Be patient with yourself and seek support from lactation consultants or online communities if challenges arise. Consistency and self-care are key to a successful pumping routine.